Hi guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, thank you for the encouraging comments under my videos and thank you for the support. When you guys press that subscribe button, it gives me a lot of encouragement to continue doing what I am doing, especially when I read the number of positive comments under my videos. It encourages me to do more and to do better. Sometimes even a thumbs up makes me feel as if my hard work is paying off somehow. It's very encouraging when someone takes the time to drop a comment, give a thumbs up, and it makes a huge difference when you press that subscribe button. So again, just pick up on yourself. So firstly, I am going to show you guys how I add extension to the ends of my cornrows. So this is the hair I am using, and I will leave a note of this in the description box below. And if you would like a full video tutorial on how to add extensions to the ends of your cornrow, please check out my full video tutorial on how to add extensions to your cornrow, and I will also leave that link below.
If you want to learn how to cornrow this hairstyle, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss a thing.
So what I do is plait the extensions in a few times until it's secure enough. Then I start to twist out the ends like passion twist. Now I am going to add some strings to decorate the hairstyle. So I will be using gold and silver strings, and I will leave the names of these below in case you're interested. So first I tie the strings to secure it, and then I wrap round and round in a crisscross. And there are many ways you can do this to create your own unique pattern. And as you're done, just give it another tie at the end so it doesn't unravel. Also, you can use a crochet needle to get some of those strings through your cornrows, which looks very beautiful. And you can just play around with this and create your own pattern and your own style. So just play around with this yourself and you'll be amazed as to what you can create. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to see some more tips.